Hello and welcome to another tablet tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be addressing a problem that some of you have been having now that we're 1 month into school, which is you're getting a notification saying memory is full or hard drive is full, can't save anything. All right, now for those of you who are doing things on my class website, we click on the Silk browser. Right away, my class website comes up. I'm sure to press the refresh button up here at the top to make sure I've got the right week. And you all have figured out that if I click on the link right below each class, it says download, yes, download, and it brings it up into Adobe Acrobat. And a lot of you have got that set up. You go to fill it in, fill and sign, and you start doing your homework. But some of you have had the problem where it's coming up and saying, out of memory, can't save, and it gets everything jumbled up. So I'm going to show you what to do. At the very bottom of your screen, you're going to see a little gray triangle, circle, and square. I want you to hit the square. Okay, now that takes all the windows I have up into little smaller windows so I can see them all. At the very top, right below where the internet signal is and the amount of battery, it says clear all. Hit clear all, because sometimes we have a lot of windows up and that gums up the tablet and makes it slow. Now you're going to look for the orange folder that says files right there. Click on that, and right away it brings you to downloads. Okay? I've tried it on a few different tablets, and every time it brings me to downloads. If you're not in downloads, up here at the top blue bar, click on the 3 lines and look for the little downward facing arrow that says downloads. Okay, now every time you click on something from the website, it automatically downloads and saves it to the tablet. And what's happening for some of you is that it's clogging up the memory. Well, after you've completed your homework and you've sent it off to me, there's no reason for you to keep it on your tablet anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press one of the pieces of homework till it turns blue, blue check mark, and at the top, right underneath the battery and the Wi-Fi symbol, there's a little trash can. Click that. It says, do you want to delete? Yes. And now I'm going to keep doing that. Press and hold till it turns blue, press the trash. Delete? Yes. Why am I doing this? Well, these tablets don't have a lot of storage space on them, unfortunately. So I need to make sure that I'm using my storage space wisely. After I've gone through and deleted, made sure that they're only the ones I've already emailed to Mr. Ivan, then that should clear up your space. Okay? For those of you who've downloaded a lot, this is going to take a while, but it'll help make your tablet run a little bit smoother. All right, reach out to me if you have any questions.